Hey guys, Dr. Eric with Complete Muscle Recovery. So, the beginner level for the calves is great, but sometimes we need a little bit more. I've never had a patient come in and say, my calves are really loose. Almost everybody would say their calves are very tight. So, this advanced work will help get at some of that deep tightness, right? So, last time we talked about how if we have the foot flat, we're going to work inside, outside, straight on the calf. What we're going to do is use either a yoga block or something like it. I mean, you could use a kettlebell, dumbbell, whatever you have. We just need something that we can prop our toes up and prop our heel on. So basically what we're going to do is use this yoga block. I'm going to rest my toes on the yoga block and let my heel fall to the ground. So now my calf is in a bit of a stretch position. Now, it shouldn't be painful. I still should be able to kind of rest my heel. So if we're not able to get that heel all the way down, make sure you use something a little bit smaller to prop your foot on. So then I'm still going to roll on the inside, roll on the straight back, and roll all the way on the outside with it in this stretched position. All right. Once I do that, I'm just going to swap out so you could see what I would use the kettlebell for. I'm going to lay it on its side, let my heel sit on it now, and my toes touch the ground, right? So again, you could use anything that will let you prop it up. But now I'm in a really relaxed, kind of open position for that calf, and I'm going to do the same rolling. Now, it will feel dramatically different whether your toes are down or you're flat rolling, or if you're in that stretch position. So it's really great to get the tension at each one. So whether you're running or squatting or anything, we need that foot to be able to release from the calf and move up and down. So hope this helps. If it doesn't feel right or if you have any further questions, feel free to call our office for a free consultation, 630-999-8665. Thanks. Have a great day.